Far out in the great ocean lies a secret world, the Faroe Islands. A dream of green islands and blue water, where nature reigns and time slows. The islands rise from the sea like ancient giants, shrouded in mist. No cities, just quiet beauty. Colors shift with every cloud, painting the land anew. This is nature's magic. The Faroe Islands are a sanctuary for the soul, a hidden paradise waiting to be explored. The cliffs of the Faroe Islands stand tall, guarding the land with walls of glowing green. Covered in 100 shades of grass, they rise straight from the sea, reaching for the sky. Standing before them, you feel small, yet protected by these ancient giants. The wind sweeps across the slopes, making the grass dance like waves on a green ocean. Seabirds soar and call, filling the cliffs with life and sound. Shaped by wind and waves, the cliffs remain strong and gentle. The green cliffs are unforgettable, a testament to nature's artistry. The Faroe Islands cliffs are nature's enduring masterpiece. Water flows everywhere on these islands, creating magic as waterfalls cascade down green cliffs. Some trickle gently, others roar with power, but the most wondrous falls straight into the ocean. Fresh water meets salt in a rare, beautiful union. The sound is nature's music, calming, powerful, and ever-present. Stand near a waterfall and feel the cool mist. Let the sound wash away the world. Each waterfall tells a story of rain, mountains, and time. After rain, they swell and rush with energy. In sunlight, they sparkle with rainbows. Every day, the waterfalls change, nature's art in motion. Watching water plunge into the sea is pure wonder, a reminder of nature's endless cycle. Rain becomes rivers, rivers feed the land, and all returns to the ocean. It's a simple, beautiful process that connects you to the earth's rhythm. Here you witness the harmony of land and sea. The waterfalls are a living link between sky, earth, and ocean. They invite quiet reflection and awe. In their presence you feel the pulse of the islands. The Faroe Islands waterfalls are nature's poetry in motion. They show how everything in nature is connected, working in perfect harmony. It's a spectacle that leaves you humbled and inspired. The sea around the Faroe Islands is a world of deep, powerful blue, sometimes calm as glass, reflecting sky and clouds, other times wild with waves crashing against the cliffs. Its color shifts, turquoise near shore, navy in the depths, silver under gray skies. Sunlight makes the water sparkle like a million diamonds. The sea shapes the island's unique character and spirit. It's a reminder of nature's power and beauty. The Faroe Islanders' relationship with the sea is one of respect and wonder. The Faroe Islands are truly shaped by the deep blue sea. Light in the Faroe Islands is soft, gentle, and ever-changing. Clouds diffuse the sun, making colors rich and the world glow. Greens deepen, blues intensify, and the landscape feels wrapped in a gentle embrace. The weather shifts quickly, and with it, the light transforms the land. Sunbeams break through clouds, illuminating patches of green like jewels. These fleeting moments are magical, nature's spotlight on hidden beauty. The constant play of light and shadow makes the landscape feel alive. Sunsets and sunrises paint the sky with pink, orange, and gold, reflected in calm waters. The world seems to burn with beauty, slow and grand. Even fog brings its own enchantment, cloaking hills in mystery. Shapes blur, the world quiets, and you feel as if you're walking through a dream. The fog reveals and hides the land, adding a sense of wonder. Every day, the light creates a new masterpiece. Watching the sky change fills you with gratitude and awe. The Faroe Islands' light is perfect for dreaming and seeing true beauty. It invites you to pause and notice the world's subtle magic. Here, every moment is a dance of light and shadow. The landscape is alive with color, movement, and mystery. The Faroe Islands are a place where light transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's a land where every day feels like a living dream. The air in the Faroe Islands is among the purest on earth. Each breath is crisp, clean, and full of life, carrying the scent of sea and earth. Here, just breathing is a rare pleasure, a gift from untouched nature. The wind is a constant companion, whispering through grass, rippling lakes, and stirring wildflowers. Sometimes gentle, sometimes wild, it howls around cliffs and whips the waves. The wind carries the cries of seabirds, the bleating of sheep, and the roar of waterfalls. Listening to this music calms the mind, replacing the noise of modern life. The breath of the wild is both soothing and exhilarating, a reminder you are in a truly untamed place. Close your eyes and imagine standing on a green cliff, cool air on your skin, the ocean's murmur below. The world is so quiet you can almost hear the grass grow. Your senses awaken. You notice the dew on grass, the changing light on stone. See the green hills rolling to the sea, waterfalls like silver threads, clouds drifting above. Land, sea, and sky blend in perfect harmony. This place feels ancient and new, speaking to a deep longing for beauty and simplicity. The Faroe Islands are more than a place. They are a feeling of calm and wonder. Here you escape the rush, slow down and simply be. The islands offer a sanctuary for the mind and a feast for the eyes. Let your imagination wander to this hidden paradise. Dream of green cliffs, blue seas, soft light, and gentle wind. Let the thought of this place bring you peace. The Faroe Islands are a timeless masterpiece, a promise of quiet beauty and gentle wonder. They are an invitation to explore, a place that will stay with you forever.